Do you ever find yourself daydreaming about escaping the 9-to-5 routine and starting your own business? Do you have a wealth of knowledge and skills that you're eager to share with others? If so, you're in the right place because starting an online coaching or consulting business has never been more attainable. In this video, we're going to take you through the process step by step, from identifying your niche to building a strong pricing strategy. So if you're ready to turn your expertise into a thriving business, keep watching. First and foremost, you need to identify your niche. What specific area do you want to coach or consult in? You can't be everything to everyone, so it's important to focus on a specific niche so you can become the go-to expert in that area. It is important to take the time to research and evaluate different areas that align with your skills and interests. Once you have identified your niche, you can tailor your marketing and messaging to attract the right clients and establish yourself as an authority in that area. Additionally, having a specific niche allows you to focus on a specific market and create more targeted and effective solutions for your clients. Next, you need to create a website. Your website should be clean, professional, and easy to navigate. It should also include a clear call to action, such as a book a consultation or sign up for coaching button. Your website will be the hub of your business, so make sure it's a good representation of your brand. Social media is also a crucial component of your online coaching or consulting business. Use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn to connect with potential clients and showcase your expertise. Share tips, testimonials, and behind-the-scenes looks at your business to give your followers a taste of what it's like to work with you. Another key element of a successful online coaching or consulting business is networking. Attend industry events, join online groups, and reach out to other experts in your niche. Building relationships with other professionals in your field can lead to valuable referrals and collaborations. Finally, make sure to have a strong pricing strategy in place. Determine your hourly rate, package prices, or other pricing structures. Be sure to communicate these prices clearly on your website and social media channels. Starting an online coaching or consulting business can be a challenging and rewarding experience. By following these steps, you can set yourself up for success and build a thriving business that allows you to share your skills and knowledge with others. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more business tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.